The connection between people is like the gravitational pull between stars in the universe, a subtle yet powerful energetic resonance. In Feng Shui, there is a specific energy sector that governs our love, relationships, and personal charm. We call this the peach blossom area. Activating it can help you attract the right people and nourish all of your beautiful relationships. Peach blossom in Chinese culture is a symbol of beautiful love and popularity. And the peach blossom area is where this energy is most concentrated in your home. It is not a fixed location, as it can be determined by your personal birth data. But there is a general annual peach blossom location that applies to everyone, which changes with the shifting energies of each year. Arranging this area with care is like fertilizing and watering your relationship garden. It allows your personal charm to bloom naturally, attracting positive and harmonious energetic connections. So, how do you find and activate this year's peach blossom area? Note, this is a general method. You can adjust the details based on the information for the year of publishing. Step 1. Find the direction. This year's annual peach blossom area is in the south. You can use the compass on your phone to identify the south sector of your home or bedroom. Step 2. Clean and declutter. Ensure this area is clean, tidy, and free of clutter. A chaotic corner cannot welcome the arrival of peach blossom energy. Step 3. Arrange with intention. You can place a glass vase, one of 9 fresh flowers here. Fresh flowers are the best symbols of vitality and beauty. Avoid using artificial flowers as they lack life force energy. You can also place some pink or red objects in this area, such as rose quartz, crystals, red candles, or cushions. These colors effectively resonate with the frequency of peach blossom energy. The core of activating your peach blossom luck is not some kind of magic. It is a conscious act of energy guidance. It is about awakening our inner capacity to love and be loved by creating beauty and harmony in our external environment. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will explore the Feng Shui secrets of the kitchen. Thank you for watching.